Hi guys, how's it going? So, the video you're about to watch is a resort tour here from the Magic Circus Disneyland Paris partner hotel. Basically, it's one of the partner hotels which you can stay in if you come to Disneyland Paris rather than on site. So yeah, let's get to it. So, hotel, Magic Circus. Okay, so, we're about to begin. Right, we're not going to actually outside, but that is the main entrance. It's 11:45 now, so I'm doing this last bit before I leave. That's the main entrance there, and so you got that goes around in a circle. Entrance there, entrance there. Okay, so now I'm going to switch the camera around and do a proper tour of the hotel quickly. It's not much to see really. It's all on one level, so which is like I say, entrance is there. Right. First thing to your right, you'll find a games room with a place where you can charge your mobile phone. But if you're staying here anyway, also you bring your adapter and an extension just in case to fill in. By games tokens there, Luigi's Mansion, some shooting games, some simulator which I've seen many times before now. This is not a change machine, this does tokens, so don't do what I do, and yeah, I didn't read that part, I just saw change and I put 10 in, I've got 5 tokens. So I'll be doing an arcade video on Mario Kart. So yeah, this is all the games here. Right. We head out a bit further. Also, this is the main lobby. You've got a Christmas tree over there, it's Christmas time. This is meant to be like some illusion thing. It's obviously it's dark at the moment, but I press it and that's all it does. So literally in one side and out the other. Also the front desk where you get your tickets from, get leaflets, etc. Some information on the sea life. Also check out the vlog from there, out of Europe, shopping centre. Okay, so we'll leave them, people are checking. Oh dear. Good thing is, because it's so late, it's really quiet as well. So you've got plenty of room to sit down and something. Right, vending machine. Obviously, it's promoting healthy eating and drinking because it's mostly full of water and then Pepsi in that. Vending machine. Right, so that's just the main lobby area. Over there, main lobby, front desk, and waiting area. Down here, this is an actual change machine, so you'll get changed from this one. Right. If you need to buy like adapters or accessories, etc., you can buy them here. This does let you contactless as well, which is handy. So yeah, also these are the prices. Just pause the video. And the swimming gear, if you need to buy in swimming gear as well. Obviously, this one doesn't take contactless. This one just takes notes and coins. Lifts, well, we'll come back to that. Also, more information stand here with all the different things. The Disney Village program, flying over, so all the other sorts. Disney shop, that's open until 8 till 12 in the morning and 6 till 10 at night. Down this way is the gym and the pool facilities, which I didn't go to the pool because it's just me. So it looks it's a bit strange going in it by myself and a bit boring. I'll say it's closed now, it's up until 10 I think. Right, that's the dance studio in there I think it is. Not really sure what's in there, but empty room. The gym, which is open. Obviously, there's not actually that much here. It's just the standard, really. Could do with a lot more since there's so much room in here. Next room. Obviously, this is where the hotel pool is. On the left here, they've got a kids one and an adults one. So that's the kids one. The other one is to the left. I'm not sure we can see it through the window. So that's the kids and that's the adults. Let's see if I can actually go in there, sure. I think it'll be locked and lock me out. These are the opening times. Oh no, yeah. What does that mean? Okay, so that's the change room. Let's go out. So I'm not meant to be in there, it looks like someone's taking a shower as well here. It's mixed cubicles in there as well, so it isn't male or female, so yeah. Cool. So that's basically that. So I can probably hear the game tokens in my pocket. I need to spend them. Right, breakfast is open until 7 until 11, so 7 AM until 11. Checkout time is 11, so there is plenty of time to get your food for breakfast. That's where you can rent your car. So there it basically sells your standard plush toys, autograph books, and little Christmas things over there. Of course that'll change to seasonal. And you got your drinks like $3.69 for a bottle of drink and something, etc. So basically across those lines. Cars. It's a random display case thingy. Some more games and arcade machines. Pool table, I didn't even notice that there actually, to be honest. That's on a refurbishment. The bar, well, they are absolutely fantastic. I'll show you the menu when I go upstairs actually for that. Again, very spacious. More games. Quick overview of the bar. Also, they stop serving food at 11. I'm not sure that it's just a room service, but it is 11. Room service is 11 PM. It's served until, so I'm not sure about the bar itself. This is where you get your lunch and breakfast, lunch and dinner from. Breakfast has a really good selection. Little ciabatta sausages, a little piece of bacon all shredded up. Beans are alright. You've got little potato things, selection of cereal, pastries and stuff like that, so that is good. That is Danny Clown. You don't actually get tickets for this, so ignore that. You'll just get spend 160 to win a free game. So yeah, that's that. More seating area I think, or but yeah, breakfast, lunch and dinner, it's about €30 I think. They do have 10% off vouchers out there check-in by the front desk, so you can ask them when you go, or say when you come, they might be different or they might not have them. But yeah, so that's that for you. Head up to the rooms now. There's only 3 levels of rooms. You do need your key card to activate the lifts. So one last look there. So bar on the left, great food, restaurant and where you get your thingies from. There, games room at the back and check-in desk. There is seating outside as well, I believe, but I haven't really been out there. So obviously it's not working, so I'm level 3. I'm trying to be quiet now because it is hello. Not a tripod. No, not a selfie stick. Okay. I'm right at the other side. Basically, each floor has an ice machine, which is handy, and a section of drinks on each level as well. So the price is here. So it's more expensive to buy it from here. Yes. Again, I'm in room 3309. So I'm in room 3309. We'll go check that room out now. Also, I've done 3 hotel room tours due to my when I first checked in, they didn't get the room right. So yeah, so that's what the room service looks like. Yeah, so it's not too bad, this hotel. I really like it actually. It's got quite a lot to offer, and it isn't that expensive either. The hotel kayak wasn't Isn't that nice? It's kind of expensive for everything, so I didn't have much selection. But here's quite good. So I'll just compare to my hotel room. But these lifts, the two lifts here, were bringing out by the Disney shop. Also, again, vending machine and ice machine. So two lifts behind me, bringing out by the gift shop, by the Disney gift shop. 3 lifts over there, take you over to the bar area. And so yeah, that's pretty much the hotel room tour. Right. Oh dear, it's not very bright now. Right, this is your room service menu. Ignore my Buffalo Bill stuff there. It is a bit more expensive. I think there's a €5 charge as well to have it delivered to you. So I lost my glasses earlier today on the last day, so yeah, I'm struggling to read. Yeah, unless otherwise specified, our room service is available from 11 AM to 11 PM. To order your room service, please call. Room service charge €5 per order, which is kind of expensive, so you can go downstairs and just get it for free. Prices are more expensive as well. So up here, it is €20 for a cheeseburger, as downstairs is 18. You can get it to take away as well, so it's not too bad. And yeah, so it's a bit more expensive up here. Don't get any drinks from the bar. Get it from the hotel gift shop. If you have an annual pass, you get 10% off as well. So that's what I've been doing. And even the vending machines are more expensive. So to clarify, it is basically room comes straight in. On your right is a games room, check-in desk. Obviously, you get the vending machine, supplies, swimwear and accessories. The Disney shop, you get 10% off, and sales all just general stuff like all class books and stuff like that. If you're after a big section, you go to the World Disney store in Disney Village. Hotel room tour, so you'll see separately in its own separate video. Buffet, I might show you that tomorrow, breakfast, but yeah, it's basically quite a good selection. But little sausages, shredded bacon, scrambled egg, no fried egg, toast, bread, pastries, and orange juice, apple juice, and water, basically. So yeah, it's a good selection, really good selection. And yeah, basically that's something like the whole room tour, the hotel resort tour from Magic Circus. It's called Vienna House. It's the company behind Magic Circus, and they've got one next door as well, Extreme Castle, which is slightly more expensive to stay in. It's not that much. Oh yeah, good thing to know as well. This hotel doesn't have an ATM, but the one next door does. So the Extreme Castle does by their lifts, and that doesn't charge either for all cash withdrawals, because I went over there yesterday. Anyway, so that was the room tour complete, and the hotel room tour complete. Hope you guys watched it, and now I'm going to go back downstairs and use up these arcade tokens on a arcade video of Mario Kart. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next adventure.